Hey guys, what time is it?
It's science time!
Have you ever wondered where water comes from? Why does it sometimes rain for days and then not again for weeks? Well, it's all part of the water cycle, which is driven by the sun. All living things depend on water. From a bumblebee to an earthworm, the flowers growing in your garden, and even your pet. Water is essential to all life. The water cycle has three main parts. But wait, what even is a cycle? A cycle is a series of events that are regularly repeated in the same order. The events of the water cycle happen over and over, so that the water you're drinking may have been drunk by a dinosaur. As I previously stated, there are three main parts to the water cycle. One is called evaporation. Have you ever seen a puddle on the ground after a rain? You look again later, and poof, it's gone. Where did it go? Have you ever seen steam rising from a boiling pot? What's happening? Evaporation is the process of liquid water turning into a gas called water vapor. Water vapor is all around you in the air. The next step in the water cycle is called condensation. Water vapor in the air rises, and as it rises, it begins to cool. And as it cools, it condenses to form clouds. We will learn more about the different types of clouds soon. Condensation is also what causes water to form on a cold glass or bottle that you set out at room temperature. Sometimes clouds get to a point where they cannot hold all the water that is condensing. And when that happens, we have the next step in the water cycle called precipitation. Water can fall back to the earth in four forms. It can fall as rain, as sleet, as hail, and as my favorite, snow. The form of precipitation that falls depends on several different factors, including temperature. Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation are the main parts of the water cycle, but there are a few other terms that you need to know. Transpiration is when water evaporates straight from the leaves of plants. As precipitation falls to earth, it runs to meet other bodies of water, such as creeks, rivers, and the ocean. This is called runoff. We will learn more about how the water cycle affects our weather and how scientists called meteorologists predict and forecast weather events.
Hey guys, I hope that you learned a lot about the water cycle today, and just remember, water is essential for all living things, including you. So remember to make sure you're drinking plenty of water, just like Dante.
Dante,
What?
what do clouds wear under their raincoats?
What?
Thunderwear!